Hello everyone, this is Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. I have made a character, a bear, out of this book. It is called, let me just move this up a little bit, Dress Up Amigurumi. And I made the bear here in the pink. And I've had a lot of compliments on the bear. And one of my subscribers has asked, they bought the book, they want to make the bear, and they're a little confused on how to do the foot. So just to start it, so she asked that I show her how to do this, and I'll be glad to do that. Now please be aware, this is not my pattern. I will show you the basics on how you start the foot, but it's pretty much just like the bottom of a baby booty. So I'm not a tutorial kind of girl most of the time, and I can't do the whole pattern, but I will, show you, try to explain to you how to get this going, and then you'll have to, go from there. But if you don't get it with this brief little announcement thing here going on, then, feel free to look at a Bag O' Day pattern on baby booties, or any other. There's lots of very good tutorials, I'm sure, on baby booties. So it says I'm using a 4mm hook because that's what the pattern asks for, and this is Mainstay yarn 4-weight acrylic from Walmart. So it says that you are going to start with a chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what we're going to do is crochet around this chain 7. So we're going to work down one side and then the other. So I always like to start in the back bump, and we're going to do a single crochet in the second stitch. So this is, can you see, I don't know if I can make this get closer in. Okay, there we go. So you can see the bumps. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go on the second one, which is 1, 2. Second bump from the end, and we're going to do a single crochet, and then we're going to single crochet in starting the second. We're going to do 5 single crochet. We're just going to go down to basically to the last stitch. Oops, it's hard to do this when I'm looking in the camera, and if I try to look outside of the camera and right at the work, then I tend to get my work out of the camera lens, so it's a little bit hard for me. I'm sure that it's a practiced skill, which I have not practiced. So then when we get down to here in our last stitch, we're going to put 3 single crochet in here. So it's a single crochet for the side that you're working on, then a single crochet to give you an end, like the middle now, and a single crochet to start the next side. So you're going to crochet over the tail, or at least I usually do. So that's your 3. So you've got 1 for this side, 1 for the end, and now 1 for this side. Oh, yeah, sorry, that was out of focus and out of range. Okay, so you've got a single crochet to finish this side. You have a single crochet for the end, and a single crochet here to start the opposite side. So then you're going to crochet 1 single crochet, we're already in that stitch, down to the end of the row. It's a little wonky. I'm sorry, I'm not very practiced at, like I said, crocheting in the camera lens. And now when we get to the last stitch, we are going to increase. Oh, come on. Which means 2 stitches in the same one. I like to put a stitch marker in the end piece. I know most people like to put it in the first one. It always confuses me. I can't tell you why, but I do better in the end piece. So now we should have 14 stitches according to the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So that's how you start it. Then you can just continue around. From that point, it's very simple then. So the next thing, the next round, says that you increase in the first stitch. So here's your first stitch, and you're going to do an increase. And then continue on with round 2. And as I said, I always mark the last stitch. And I don't want to go into the pattern too far because it's not my pattern. But if that's where you're having trouble, I think that'll get you through the beginning of how to get it started. Now you're just going to work in continuous rounds per the pattern. So I wish you luck. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. And as I said, if not, there are other videos on YouTube that are designed to just show you how to make booties, and the bottom of them, your stitch counts will be different probably, you know, because this is being sized for the bear, but at least I'll show you how to go around the chain. And I hope that clarified it for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.